If your quarter glass just shattered, the two questions that actually decide your bill are simple. Is it OEM or aftermarket glass? And does your insurance already cover it? Most quarter glass jobs run $350 to $450, but OEM glass alone can swing the cost 20 to 60% higher than aftermarket. For a common vehicle, quality aftermarket glass usually performs fine. For tight tolerances, embedded antennas, or sensors, OEM is often worth the premium. Quarter glass is nearly always tempered, so once it's cracked or shattered, there's no repairable line to fix. It has to be replaced. The one exception is a small surface chip on laminated glass, which some luxury vehicles have. Before you pay out of pocket, call your insurer. Comprehensive coverage often includes quarter glass, and plenty of drivers end up paying nothing. Just confirm your deductible first, so you know a claim is actually worth filing. Every vehicle and policy is a little different, which is why a straight answer from someone local, who does this work daily, matters more than a generic estimate. Reach out to Speedy Windshield Repair here in San Diego for a free mobile quote, and we'll walk you through exactly what your job needs.